you still worried about factory production problems? Let me tell you good news that can improve production efficiency, reduce costs, and improve product quality. Our company is a professional CNC machining parts source factory, focusing on the manufacturing of CNC precision hardware parts. We have advanced production equipment, exquisite process technology, and a professional management team, and are committed to providing customers with high quality, high efficiency, and high precision products and services. So, what are the advantages of our company? First of all, we have strong production capabilities for parts, accessories, molds, etc., which can meet the needs of customers of different types, different quantity requirements, ensure customer production efficiency. Secondly, we use CNC machining technology, which can greatly improve the accuracy, surface quality, and durability of parts and reduce maintenance costs. In addition, we strictly control the production process to ensure product quality and provide full follow-up services to customers to ensure that customer needs are met in a timely manner. If you want your products to be more competitive, choosing us as your partner is definitely your wise choice. Let's work together to create a better future and share helpful, interesting, and educational content, tutorials, tips, and explanatory articles to help you establish a professional image, attract attention, and provide practical value.